we're only going to open up one package, but we're going to make 3 variations out of this. So would you open up the package? What we're opening up is a rubber band propeller. But we're going to work with it as basic. We're only going to use parts of it. Okay. We're going to make the basic item. Okay? So what we have here, we call this a U channel because it looks like a U. And we call this a J channel because it looks like a J. What we'd like to do is attach the J channel to the U channel. And we'd like it to be even and symmetrical and all that. So to help us do that, we're going to take the magnets, and we'll use one of the magnets as a guide. We'll put the magnet up along the upper edge, and we'll use a pencil or a pen, and we'll draw a line. So would you do that? Draw a line here, draw a line here.
Put the magnet at the very edge of
Yes.
the channel?
Right. And all we need is a line. And once you get a line at that end, bring the magnet up here and draw a second line.
Okay. Is pencil preferred for this? Because it seems to be a little...
Pencil probably works a little better. Yeah, go ahead.
This is more just for everybody finding.
All right, so if you have a line on both ends of one side, you turn it over and put 2 lines on that side. Okay, now that we have 2 lines on one side, we'll use those 2 lines to help us attach the J channel. And what you do is you line the J channel up with the 2 lines. Okay, now let's remove the protective tape.
From the J channel?
Remove that. And then, using the 2 lines and that, attach the J channel to the bottom. You only get 1 shot at it.
Oh, boy.
If you don't do it right the first time, it's very difficult to try to remove it and reposition it.
Okay, I'm going in the right direction.
Oops, I think we got it attached the wrong way. Look, the J channel should be coming off the solid part.
So, am I doing this correctly?
Yeah, that looks like it's in the ballpark.
Sure.
Okay, and now that you've attached one J channel, do the same thing to the other J channel. That looks good. Okay, now let's insert the magnets into the J channels. And we have to make sure that we're using the correct magnets on the correct J channel. Find two magnets that stick together and have the tape on the same side. All right? So now we'll insert a J channel, a magnet here and a magnet here on a temporary basis. So the other two go there. If the magnets are inserted properly, when you put that on here, if you put it one way, it'll float. If you put it the other way, it'll sink. So put it on the track and see if the thing floats.
Will these magnets fall out of the channels?
Yes, they sort of will, but
So
they should hold fairly well to determine whether it's going to float. Oh, no, you put it on this way.
Oh, okay. That could make a difference. Whoops. Should I check the magnets
Yeah.
just to make sure that I didn't mix up the pairs?
Okay.
Okay, these are not. Okay, those are, so these both belong on one side.
And every time you do something wrong and it's a mistake, that's how you learn.
Yeah.
Because that's what the students are going to do.
Absolutely. All right, so this should float.
Now, see, it's sinking, so turn it around.
Okay. Okay.
And it seems to be floating.
Okay. No?
Well, of course, the magnets aren't holding.
Okay.
But I'm pretty sure we've determined that the magnets are inserted in the J channels properly.
Okay.
So now you remove one magnet, remove the protective tape, and reinsert it. You can do the same thing.
And the magnet should be at the very edge of the plastic
Yes.
channel. Okay.
Yeah, seems to be floating. Double check the magnets in one J channel. Make sure they stick together properly.
Oh, that one keeps flying up.
Okay, so seems to be working. Remove the protective coating from each magnet and reinsert it.